Hey guys, hi. So the parcel has arrived, so we are going to be unboxing the laptop. Let's go.
Slowly. Hi, you guys asked for the product, so the product came. Let's go for the unboxing.
Okay, so did he explain what we are going to be doing today? Yeah. Let me make it clear. He's Dikshit. I'm Vikram. You guys know us. And now, as you guys asked for the product, HP 360 Pavilion, it's here. We're going to be unboxing it, and this is going to be unboxing. We'll do the first impressions and review soon. See you guys there. So now, what you're here for is the unboxing. Let's go into it. What's up, guys? Here's the laptop. We're going to be unboxing it. Let's go into it. Oh hey, if you come this far to the video, it's for this unboxing. Let's unbox HP x360. So here we have the laptop. So guys, the laptop's over there, and let's see what else is inside the box. So here we have the charging plug, which is used to charge your laptop, and actually it's not given in iPhone's box. It's actually good that it's given in nowadays laptop's box, because it's a major part of the laptop's experience.
So next,
We take my new HP laptop. So this is the HP Pavilion x360, and we're going to be unboxing it.
open.
The unboxing experience as far as now is really good, and now they've given some cushions and we removed it. Now they have given a plastic protection on top of the laptop, so let's remove it.
Wow.
So guys, here's the first open of the laptop. Oh man, this screen looks gorgeous, and we here have a paper which they've given like Apple. So now it's going to be the first start of the laptop. So let's see. So start button is placed on the left side. So let's press it and see what happens. Oh man, the keyboard lights up and the screen lights up, and it's a gorgeous 14-inch screen. So it also says includes Office and Windows Home for the students over here. So let's see, and it's a Core i7. So yeah man, the Windows is already up and it's over here. Okay, welcome Windows with the cotton logo.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon toward.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's me Vikram. You guys asked for it. HP Pavilion x360. I got it for you guys. You might have seen the unboxing over there. So this is like the really first look to the laptop. Fine. Yeah, take a look at the laptop first. fine. Think you've got some glimpse of the laptop. So this is HP X360 pavilion. So this is a 2-in-1, which means it is a convertible. Some convertibles are actually like you won't be able to flip them, but this is a flip book. You can actually flip it and use it as a tablet, but while it fully runs Windows. A tablet with Windows is really great, right? So this one has a gorgeous 14-inch screen, and it's a 4K screen, but actually in YouTube it also shows 8K. I'm not really sure about that, but the screen is gorgeous. It also has touch support. So then this screen also has the glossy look to it, not the matte finish but the glossy finish, and it has keyboards with it is also backlit. The keyboards are backlit, and it has a fingerprint sensor, and it is a spec beast. It runs the Intel i7 processor, which helps me a lot while doing editing and GPU and CPU work, like which is editing while rendering and exporting 4K videos, which I do take in the studio. So yeah, if you're guessing, this one is a new mic for YouTube, so to make the audio quality not a bit better but a lot better. And this is the first really first look to the laptop. Let me use it for a week and I put the impressions and then the review, which you guys will be waiting for. See you guys in that video. Either way, this is me, Vikram. See you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay in peace.